Hi friends. Now we are going to see the tallest animal. Come on. Let's ask a riddle to him. Hi giraffe, I'm having a question. Can you guess the answer? Hi monkey. I'm happy to answer. I am black and white and loved all over. I can swim, but I'm not a fish. What am I? Can you guess the animal?
Is that a zebra?
No. One more chance for you. Can you guess the correct animal, friend?
I think it's panda.
Pandas are known for their distinctive black and white fur. Despite their large size, they are skilled swimmers. Did you enjoy the riddle? Can I ask you one more?